Sabrina, it's a fly.
It's a mosquito!
It's a piece of fuzz.
It's a mosquito!
It's a bird.
It's a mosquito!
It's a plane.
Saying exactly where it's at.
It's a mosquito!
Okay.
That's a mosquito! That's a mosquito!
Yummy.
Mosquito!
It's a telephone pole. It's not even moving. Sabrina, there's a mosquito on your arm.
Yeah, right.
There was seriously a mosquito on the window. Are you getting it? I can't see it though. It just looks like a blur on the window. Hold on.
You have to back up.
I know, but I'm taking a video of it.